And man, the chef is just really going to town there. Hey there everybody, this is Hardly Bartley. Welcome back to another edition of Starbound, Frackin Universe mod. When we last left off, we took a look at a Tidewater planet. So now we're going to move on to another ocean type planet, the Nitrogen Sea. Yes, by that I mean frozen nitrogen, as in you are going to freeze to death on this planet without proper protection. So first thing I take a look at is I'm going to swap this out for the immunity field, and we're going to take a look at this planet. So let's go, looking down. It says a deadly liquid nitrogen sea awaits beneath a dense layer of ice. Recommended heating EPP 2. So we've got a immunity barrier, so we should be just fine. If not, I have heating EPP 3, so that's fine. It looks like the surface biomes are going to be Nitrogen Sea and Arctic, and the climate threat's going to be violent with dangerous fauna. So this is a small planet. We'll be able to take a look around on it fairly easily. It's got a few sort of high-tier ores, thorium, neptunium, and it looks like there's something there. I don't know, it keeps going off the screen. It says there's a freeze storm, a lesser freeze storm, a minor freeze storm, snow, and blizzards. Never would have expected the snow. Anyway, let's head on down here. You know what? You can come with me. Yep. Just so you can have something to do. And you know what? Ah, heck, let's just take the chef too. He's not gone anywhere for a while. Down we go. And the first thing you're going to notice is that it has no atmosphere here. But it has a lot of ice that you can slip and slide on. Lots and lots of ice. So it's very similar to a moon, honestly. With all these little ice trees. Aren't they pretty? Because if I do the time warp, watch what happens. Barely anything. Barely anything at all. That's daytime right there for you. Alright, so first thing you're going to notice is, apart from the ice, there's a lot of chests around here. And you can also get coral on this planet, just like you can get on the Tidewater Planet. So that's nice. And of course, here is the Nitrogen Sea part. And I should probably let these guys run away, because otherwise they're going to die. I'm sorry guys, probably should not have taken you with me. And now it's all bright out. Look at that, look at that, look at those pretty birds. The fact that there's birds that aren't penguins in the Arctic, you know, that's very interesting. What does that think? I'll take it. It became nothing. And it sounds like we got some sort of windstorm going on, but I can't see what it is. And it looks like there's see a blizzberry there, and maybe it's just the water that's rushing underneath us. Ooh, there's a bug. Come back here, bug. I want you. It's Arctic drone. Okay, that's cool. And now we're actually gonna head into the sea, apparently. And this one actually has water here instead of liquid nitrogen that we ran into. We're still gonna freeze, but, you know, not nearly as bad. Now here's the Nitrogen Sea under here, so... liquid nitrogen. So the water is freezing as soon as it hits that, so that's kind of cool. But once you get underneath here, you're going to notice it's a lot like the ocean floor, except instead of sand, it's all ice. And it's so quiet down here, it's eerie. Frozen sand, strange nodule. Interesting, interesting. And there's actual fish down there. That's kind of cool. So why don't we take a look and try to fish for some fishies? Anything? Can we catch anything? Anything? Anybody want a bite? Anybody? Huh? Somebody want a bite? That's just kind of freaky. Like, just the sound just kind of cut in the liquid nitrogen. Alright, so we'll head on back up to the top of the planet now, and we'll head to a similar nitrogen sea, just to see what... A lot of C's in that sentence there. A lot of C's. A lot of C's. Just to visit another nitrogen sea and take a look at what it looks like. There we go. And this one actually looks like... Yeah, there's a little bit of an elder biome here. That's kind of cool. What else have we got going on around here? Whee! I'm sliding! What is this? What is this? Okay, apparently there's a halotl settlement here on top of the ground. That's not something you normally see. Wait, did I see what I just think I saw? Yep, there's water on the other side that just floated down to the ground. Okay, there's water at ground level. For just no apparent reason. And now it's all disappeared. It's very interesting. Okay, so maybe we need to fall down to the ground and we can get out of here. Okay, apparently not there. So up we go, up we go. Trying to find a way out. Yes, here we go. Nope, nope, we're still in another part of the halotl complex. Maybe here? Are we going to escape? Yes, we can finally escape. And now we're here, and we're in the middle of a storm, and water is falling from the sky. Interesting, interesting. Okay, so, yeah. That's just weird. And it's dark. Daytime? Daytime. Daytime. No daytime. Not even a little bit of brightness anywhere. There is no light in my life on this planet. Just darkness. Just darkness. Darkness and more darkness. Maybe just one more time, just to see. And there's a windstorm, so yeah, not really much help there. And what was firing at me? Somebody that doesn't like me. And man, the chef is just really going to town there. Whee! Okay, what was that? What did I just pass? Oh, that's another one of those things. And we're in liquid nitrogen here. I need a plasma pack. There we go. I can see now. So, strange nodule, that's about it. There's nitrogen sea, water everywhere, and Yeti golem. It's not something you see every day. So let's head on down here where this nitrogen sea is. Oh look, there's more water here. And it's just like in a neat little pocket. It's just like in the tiniest, neatest little pocket. I wonder, can I catch a fish out here now? Can I catch a fish out here now? I know it's not going to go very far, but maybe I can catch a fish here. Yep, one fishy. Oh, I think he's stuck on the inside of the wall, so that wasn't going to work. That wasn't going to work at all. It's hard to walk through the nitrogen sea part. Anyway, let's see what's on this side. What I can take. Bunch of stuff. And there's nitrogen sea here. Interesting. Oh. But apparently there's a lantern. Just random. Oh, we're falling through the nitrogen sea. Downward, downward we go. Into the frozen land. Way down here. Oh. Just keep hitting everything on the way down. Whee! There doesn't seem to be an escape from the nitrogen sea either. And it looks like we've run to the bottom of the planet. And it is a nitrogen sea core. Oh, and it looks like I've run out of space too. So I'll have to take care of that in the next video. So that's what a nitrogen sea is, folks. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also share it with all of your friends and hit the notification bell. That way you can catch the next video as soon as it comes out. Alright, this is Harley Barley, signing out.